Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is giảm, decrease. Giảm, decrease. 從事農業嘅人正在減少. The number of people who farm is decreasing. 從事農業嘅人正在減少. 油 gasoline 油 gasoline 入油 pump gasoline 入油 頸巾 scarf 頸巾 scarf 呢條係羊毛頸巾 It is a woolen scarf 呢條係羊毛頸巾 太陽眼鏡 sunglasses 太陽眼鏡太陽眼鏡 sunglasses 平價太陽眼鏡 cheap sunglasses 平價太陽眼鏡衣架 hanger 衣架hanger 俾一個衣架我 Give me a coat hanger 俾一個衣架我布 cloth 布 cloth 紅色布 red cloth 紅色布褸 coat 褸 coat 冬天褸 winter coat 冬天褸大褸 overcoat 大褸 overcoat 黑色大褸 black overcoat 黑色大褸雨褸 raincoat 雨褸 raincoat 黃色雨褸 yellow raincoat 黃色雨褸運動套裝 sweatsuit 運動套裝運動套裝 sweatsuit 運動套裝而家減緊價 The sweatsuits are on sale now 運動套裝而家減緊價。Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say decrease? Giảm. And how to say gasoline? Dầu. What about scarf? Cản根. Do you remember how to say sunglasses?太陽眼鏡. Let's try hanger. 衣架. What about cloth? 布. Now, let's see if you remember how to say coat. 褸. Another one. What about overcoat? 大褸. Do you remember how to say raincoat? 雨褸. And finally, do you remember how to say sweatsuit? 運動套裝. Well done! See you next time. 再見。